Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a card on your phone. First, open your preferred digital wallet or a dedicated card creation app on your smartphone. Look for an option to add a new pass or create a custom card. Many apps offer a variety of templates to get you started, or you can choose to begin with a blank canvas for full customization. This initial step sets the foundation for your unique digital card. Now, let's personalize your card's appearance. You can select a background color, upload an image, or choose from various patterns to make your card visually striking. Next, incorporate your company logo or a personal photograph to ensure instant recognition. Experiment with different fonts and text sizes to achieve optimal readability and a professional, polished look that truly represents you or your brand. With the design in place, it's time to add your crucial information. Carefully input your name, professional title, and all necessary contact details, including phone number and email address. Don't forget to add important links, such as your company website or social media profiles, to make it easy for others to connect. Take a moment to thoroughly review all the entered data for accuracy before saving your newly created digital card. Congratulations! Your digital card is now complete and ready for use. You can effortlessly share it with others through various methods, such as a quick QR code scan, sending it via email, or even through a simple text message. Some apps also allow direct transfer to another person's digital wallet. Embrace the modern convenience and professional impression your new digital card provides in every interaction.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.